Hello everyone and welcome back again to the revision tour of Python. So today I am going to tell you about the if-else statement. If-else statement is basically required when we want to test a condition. Now if there are more than one condition need to be given, then we will be using nested if-else. However, if you have only one condition to be given, then we can use the if-else statement. It is basically it tests a condition, and if the condition evaluates to be true, then it executes the set of instructions which is written, or the set of statement which is written under the if statement. And if it evaluates to be false, then it executes the statement which is written under the else part. All right, now let us see the syntax of the if-else statement. So the syntax begins like this, that you will write the if statement and then you will write the particular condition which you want to give, and after giving the colon mark, press a enter and write the set of statements which need to be executed if the condition evaluates to be true. Then for the false part, or you can say when the condition evaluates to be false, we will write the else part, and you write the set of instructions or the statement which need to be executed under the else part when the condition is going to be false. Let us see one example where I will check that if the age entered by the user is eligible for a particular voter or not. Means if a particular person is eligible to vote or not. So we will ask the user to enter the age here. I am storing the age in the age variable and using the input statement, and then I'll use the if statement to check if the age is greater than or equals to 18, and if it is greater than or equals to 18, then it will print the set of instruction statement which is written under the if part, that the person is an eligible voter. And if the person is not an eligible voter, then the second part, else part, will be executed. It means if the age will be less than 18, then the else part will be executed and the statement will be shown to the user that the person is not an eligible voter. Now write the program in the Python shell and try to execute it and see how the output comes. Now again I will give you one more example. Suppose I want to check the number that it is an even or odd. So what is the concept behind the even and odd number? That the number should be exactly divisible by 2 and the remainder should be 0. So we are going to use the mod operator and the if statement to check whether the number is even or odd. So for this we will define a num variable wherein I am taking the input from the user and I am storing the number in the num variable. Now I have to check that the number is divisible by 2 or not. If it is exactly divisible, obviously it will be equal to 0, remainder will be equal to 0. So I am using a mod operator here, and then I am using a must equal to, which is identity operator sign. Now if the condition goes true, it is going to print me that the number is even, and if it evaluates to be false, it means if the remainder will not be 0, then the else part will be executed, which will give me the answer that the number is odd. So this is how we'll find out that the number entered by the user is even or odd. If else statement are basically used when there are one or more than one condition to be given. We can use nested if else also. So this is very easy program. Practice these two programs at home. Try to get the output after compiling it. If you will be having any problem, you can get back to me. These are the Python basics, students, so try to practice more and more. I'll see you in the next video with the another topic of revision. Till then, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you so much.